what's happening there. I've not been out for a while. And I want that first pollock. So I'll see her in the water.
Anyway, just reset the drift, come back over the rough again, change my lure, slightly heavy one. Let's see what happens with this. And he's in. Doesn't feel very big though. Little coddy. I ain't blanked anywhere. Slack off, get him away, have a little look at him. Hey. Full hooked anyway. There you go. See that? Gone to live another day. Be big, be big. I haven't blank. Not what I want to like, but better than not. Oh, this feels a bit better. Not much better, but another little coddy. Wouldn't mind them chucking, you know, bite the chuck, that's a one. Number two. Straight down the bottom. Need something bigger than that. Come on. Something bigger. Got another one now. Number 3 on the row. Nah, lure. Just come off though. Just 2 cod there. Aye. You want as well? It's big boat with a sail. It's Paul. Tide's still on its way in. Got another hour and a half of that, I think. We're slowly drifting south. I'll have to head back down there and get the rough ground again. Because I need a pollock. I need a pollock. Don't need one, actually, want one. Something there for me. There has to be something there for me. Got to be. And it's on again. A little bit better. In fact, it feels a lot better. Like a cod again. Oh, it's my first pollock. I got me pollock. Oh my dears. Sorry, boy. Hey. There we go. Your pollock. Long awaited. I want to keep it. I'll put this one back. I want a bigger one. Don't get your parents. Put it back. I'll probably regret it. I'll probably regret it. I'll go on with no fish whatsoever now. Bottom. Reefy. Paul's had a bit further in. Oh, and he's got another one. Took the battery last. The cod. Certainly felt bigger. Certainly felt bigger. But another one will live to see another day. Isn't it, buddy? Straight back down. Just one of those little bad boys. Try again. Big pollock. There's fish down there. Anyway, not much has been happening. I've had a few cod. I've had a lot of snags. I've lost a couple of shads. Managed to retrieve this one, so I'm going to give it another hour. Paul has gone now, so it's just me Todd. Sort of died down a little bit, still a bit lumpy, but manageable. Big seal again, keeps popping up wherever I go. Down there, popped up. Over there, popped up, like following me. Anyway, I'll try again because I really want to take the fish home today. Yeah, it's a big one. He's got a massive head on it. Let's stay over there. Come on, one big one. Pulled the drog in as well because I was just getting tangled up all the time. It was never tight, it was just loose, it was getting wrapped. So now I'm just bobbing about. So I'm gonna actually head up that way where that bit of rough was, just for half an hour, and then I am gonna call it. Just get past these sails, but I want to try a bit of rough ground again. I really want to take something home. Anyway, I really want to take something home. So anyway, I've moved out a bit deeper, a bit rougher. Always something wrong. There we go. Little twiggle around the end. That's it. Go and get me a nice big cod. Come Loads of stuff down there. 56 foot. Changing the bottom as well. Tide's changed. Oh my dear, it's about bloody time. About bloody time. There's like a cod. Not big though. You know what though? He's coming home. He's coming home. He bloody well is. He bloody well is. Got one for the table, Ma. Makes it all worthwhile. Makes it all worthwhile. Coming home. He's coming home. There it is. You know, couple of half, 2.5, 3 ish. He's coming home. Time. Anyway, doing my duties now, but don't like filming that. Anyway, the gear that I'm using at the moment. Just a little light spinning rod, Shimano FX XT240M. Don't know much about it. Only got it because it was reasonably cheap, and I've lost my other two. Last time I was kayaking, last time I was out fishing, bottom of the water. And the reel is an Akuma JAW40, Jaw 40. Some it's £20 braid, very light stuff, cheap from China. Does a bit, don't need fancy stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Doing all right. Still waiting for that big massive 6, 7, 8 pound Pollock, which would be nice. Anything 8 pound would be nice. Anything over 3 pound would be nice. It's just nice to be out, you know. Been a while, the weather's not been the best. I know other people have been getting out, but they've been getting the breaks where I've been at work, so I've not been given the chance to get out as much. I've got commitments in it. Gotta be done. But like I said earlier, I haven't blanked. Got me Pollock I was after. Should have kept it. And a few cod. So I'm happy. I'm happy. Just wouldn't mind taking one fish home. Just one. Please. Well, it's clearing up, and I honestly thought it was going to start teeming down over there. It was probably misted over. I was expecting to chuck down a rain, but it didn't. It's been like quite decent. It's settled off. The sea's flattened off a hell of a lot. Look at them, 3 of them. They're just watching me. Yep. Hey, you got him. Go away, man, you're too big. Thank you. I'm going to have to move because I'm just going to get nothing here while these are messing about. Yeah, fuck it, come on. Let's go on. Let's go on. Anyway, it's about 1 o'clock. Been on the water since probably about 8. So 5 hours is enough. A few cod, 1 keeper.